Christmas greetings from a fairy to a child. Lady dear, fairies may for a moment lay aside cunning tricks and elfish play, 'tis a happy Christmas-tide. We have heard the children say, gentle children whom we love, long ago on Christmas Day came a message from above. Still as Christmas-tide comes round they remember it again. Echoes still the joyful sound, peace on earth, goodwill to men. Yet the heart must childlike be where such heavenly guests abide, unto children in their glee all the year's Christmas-tide. Thus, forgetting tricks and play for a moment, lady dear, we would wish you, if we may, Merry Christmas, Glad New Year.